How to move object in Vyond? First of all, go to the blank project and I will add one scene so that we can explain easily. Okay, I'm adding this scene and I will move this object from here to here. So first of all, we need to change the action of character. So go here and we'll add a walking action. We have apply walking, but it's still not moving. So what we have to do is we have to add motion path here. So our object will move from here to here like this. And if I want to move this to out of screen, then drag this to here. Make sure the object is bring to front. This is fine. Now I want to animate an object here. So what I will do, I will add plane. Now I'm adding motion path from line to horizontal, and here I'm placing this. This is how we can move this object. Now let's move car. I have added the car and I want to move this car to here, then add motion path and this one. This car will move from here to here, but we want more animation. Like this. If you want to move bike like this, you can do it. There is some character also. We can move like this. If you want moving bike, then there is inbuilt character here. This one. This is too fast. We need to slow down this. See, the first character is mm, low size and this one high size. So what this will do, in, this will automatically increase the character size. But we want the same, so we'll decrease the size of character here. Like this we can do it. Here many more example here. If you want bike, there is bike also. And more cycles also. Like this you can do. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching.